Hi, my name is Megan Lehman, and today I'm going to be talking about climate change and the impacts that it has had on our recent tropical storms. So we all know that Hurricane Nicole did just rip through the east coast of Florida. The eye of the storm hit Vero Beach, which it was considered a Category 1 upon landfall. But although we did see some damage in Vero Beach, most of the damage we saw happened in Daytona. So our main part was Daytona Beach Shores, which is 100 miles north of Vero Beach, experienced the most damage, which cost up to $370 million in damages. Most of this damage came from coastal erosion. So we know that climate change has been a big issue that we've been battling. Climate change not only contributes to the levels of the sea rising, but it also results in warmer ocean temperatures. So when we see warmer ocean temperatures, that means that it causes more evaporation. So when a hurricane goes over it and there's more evaporation, it's making a more powerful storm. So those storms create very powerful storm surges, and that's why we also see this coastal erosion from high winds, things like that. So what we should be doing, what the government needs to be doing to take steps towards this, is not only taking steps towards combating climate change, but we should also be looking on how to mitigate for disasters like this so we're more prepared and there's not as much damage. So new building codes should be made in areas that are prone to these risks so we know that they can withstand the pressures of these storms that are getting more powerful. Like I said, we should be enforcing more laws that combat climate change itself, looking into more public transportation, renewable energy, especially when we're building these new buildings that should have these codes. And we also need to be educating citizens in these areas of risk how to prepare for these storms properly. So they know how to evacuate, they know how to prepare their households for a powerful storm that may be coming through. So that is why climate change has had such an impact on how powerful our tropical storms have been.